Demystifying the phrase axed. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and often misunderstood phrase in English, axed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in conversations. Let's dive right in. The word axe, spelled axe, in American English, refers to a tool used for chopping wood. It has a long handle and a sharp-edged head. When we say someone axed something, in the literal sense, we mean they've used an axe on it. For instance, he axed the tree down. But, as with many words and phrases in English, axed also has a figurative meaning. When we use axed in a non-literal context, we're often referring to the act of removing, canceling, or terminating something. This could relate to plans, jobs, projects, and more. For instance, the TV show was axed after just one season, meaning the show was canceled. I heard he got axed from his job, meaning he was fired or let go. So, you can see how the metaphorical use of axed conveys a sense of sudden removal or termination, much like how an axe can swiftly cut something. Now that we know the meanings, it's essential to know how to use axed properly. 1. Context is key. Always ensure the context makes it clear whether you're using axed, literally or figuratively. 2. Be sensitive. Since axed can refer to sensitive topics like job termination, always be cautious and considerate in its usage. 3. Past tense. Remember, axed is in the past tense. For present or future actions, you'd say axe or will axe, respectively. For example, correct, she axed her plans for the weekend because she wasn't feeling well. Incorrect, she will axe her plans for the weekend. The right usage would be, she will axe her plans for the weekend. And that's it. We've successfully demystified the phrase, axed. Remember, language is rich and ever-evolving, so always be on the lookout for new phrases and their meanings. I hope this video has been insightful and aids in your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!